Welcome to iSyn TV. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ìdùnnú ṣubú layọ̀ nílùú Ìbàdàn lónìí níbi tí ọba Rashidi Adéwọ̀lú Ládọjà tí bàbá ti gba ọ̀pá àṣẹ ìdùnnú ṣubú layọ̀ gan ni o. Gbogbo àwọn lọ́balọ́ba orí adé ló pèsè síbẹ̀ bàbí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ààrẹ wa lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu èmi lọ́kàn wà ń Jagaban. Bàbá náà wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀ lónìí o. Bàbá wà ń bẹ̀. Ìdùnnú ṣubú layọ̀ gan ni gbogbo ọmọ Ọ̀yọ́ state pátápátá nínú wọn dùn, àwọn ọmọ Ìbàdàn, àwọn ọmọ gbogbo ọmọ ìlú Ìbàdàn pátápátá nínú wọn dùn o fún nǹkan ayọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lónìí, torí wípé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ irú eléyìí ò tí ì ṣẹlẹ̀ rí nílùú Ìbàdàn. Ìdí nìyẹn tí inú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ṣe dùn nígbà tí ààrẹ Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu dé. Àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀, ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ni tó ní agbára pọ̀. Ó ní mo ṣe ní kẹ́ ẹ wá wo fọ́nrán eléyìí tó ní agbára o. Gbogbo lọ́balọ́ba orí adé ló pèsè síbẹ̀, gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ́wò nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ẹnjiníà Ṣèyí Mákindé wá sọ àwọn nǹkan kan tó ní agbára. Òun náà mo tún ní kẹ́ ẹ tún wá gbọ́ nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ káàbọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ń wọlé sórí ètò. Ẹ máa like, ẹ máa share rẹ̀ jọ. Ẹ tètè máa pín, ẹ máa pín, ẹ máa pín. Ẹ jẹ́ kó tètè máa lọ káàkiri orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin àgbáńlá ayé. Ká farabalẹ̀ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ sọ. Ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí ọba gangan sọ, ọba Rashidi Adéwọ̀lú Ládọjà. Kí ni bàbá sọ gangan? Ká farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ nǹkan tí èsì tí ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí tí wọ́n fún ọba, gómìnà àti àwọn ará Ìbàdàn. Ẹ já farabalẹ̀ o, ẹ bá like, ẹ bá share rẹ̀ ẹ jọ. Ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ fà káàkiri orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin àgbáńlá ayé. Ẹ ṣé o, tẹ́ ń tẹ́tí sí wa o ní gbogbo ìgbà.
Hello. Hello. Your Excellencies.
Sheyada. Oya 1, Sheyi. 2, Sheyi. 3, Sheyi. 4, Sheyi. 5, Sheyi. 6, Sheyi. 7, Ohun yẹn wékele síwájú.
Ìbàdàn náà pé bí.
Ohun yẹn dé fìlà sẹ́yìn o.
Ọ̀yọ́ lẹ́wà.
Ṣèyí Mákindé la máa ti gbó wa fún. Ṣèyí torí bóun làwọn Ọ̀yọ́ ń fẹ́. Orin tó bá mẹ́kùnún o. Ohun yẹn wékele síwájú. Ohun yẹn dé fìlà sẹ́yìn o. Ṣèyí Mákindé la máa dìbò. Torí bóun làwọn Ọ̀yọ́ ń fẹ́.
The land, illustrious guests from near and far, ladies and gentlemen. Today, Friday, September 26, 2025, will be written in gold in the annals of history of Ibadan land and of your state in particular. Today, we witness history. Hello. Today, we witness history as His Imperial Majesty, Oba Rashidi Adewolu Ládọjà, an elder statesman, a senator, a former governor, an astute businessman, philanthropist, and an illustrious son of Ibadan, ascends the throne as Olubadan of Ibadan land. His journey through the chieftaincy line is a testament to the Ibadan ethos of patience and discipline. His political career, marked by service and resilience, mirrors the warrior spirit of our forebears. His coronation today is not just the crowning of a king, but the fulfillment of tradition, the triumph of culture, and the renewal of hope for Ibadan land. As the talking drums resound and the praise singers call for the spirit of our ancestors, I welcome you all once again to the coronation of the 44th Olubadan of Ibadan land, His Imperial Majesty, Ọba Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja Arusa the First. Ẹ dákun ẹ pariwo kábíyèsí o. Àwọn ọ̀gbọ́dọ̀ ẹ pariwo kábíyèsí o. Your Excellencies, we'll do a brief recognition of VIPs in our midst here today. And I'll start by recognizing the #1 citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed and Unarmed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We call him City Boy. Please, wherever you are, with a round of applause, make welcome and appreciate Mr. President himself, His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, on your mandate. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. We appreciate you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Also seated beside the President is our numero uno citizen in your state. We call him GSM. Wherever you are, please appreciate Vice Chairman, Nigerian Governors Forum, and Executive Governor of your state. Proud to call him Daddy anytime, any day. Please appreciate His Excellency, Governor Seyi Makinde Seyeda. Seyeda. Our mother in Oyo State is seated right beside our daddy. Please appreciate Her Excellency, Engineer Mrs. Tamuno Minini Makinde. A round of applause for her too, please. Your Excellency, we are glad to have governors. We are glad to have governors from across Nigeria here with us. I'd like to recognize our neighbor, all the way from Osun State. Please appreciate His Excellency, Senator Jackson Ademola Adeleke, Executive Governor of Osun State. Hello. We'll appreciate our governors from the Southwest. Let's take a quick trip to Ekiti State. Please appreciate His Excellency, Governor Abiodun Oyebanji. You're most welcome, sir.
Hello, hello.
All the way from Ondo State, we have His Excellency, Governor Lucky Orimisan Ayedatiwa. You're most welcome, sir. Also in the front seat, very close to Mr. President, Honorable Minister of Power, Chief Adebayo Adelabu. You're most welcome. Seated very close to the Honorable Minister, he's one of our own here from Oyo State, Chairman FRS, Dr. Zach Adedeji. You're most welcome. We appreciate you. Your Excellencies, today is about the 44th Olubadan, who actually is a former governor for your state. Please appreciate one more time our His Excellency, and then His Imperial Majesty, Kábíyèsí Olubadan tilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn. His Imperial Majesty, Ọba Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja Arusa the First. Ẹ dákun ẹ pariwo Kábíyèsí o. You have to get used to it. He's a former governor and a king. Thank you very much. We also have here with us former governors. I said this earlier and I'm going to repeat it for its worth. These governors served with our king here today between 2003 and 2007. Somebody said the president also served. Yes, he's probably on that WhatsApp group. We want to appreciate former governors who are here to celebrate with our king. Former governors who served in Nigeria between 2003 and 2007. We appreciate you, sirs. Prince Olagunso Yoyilola, we appreciate you. And all other former governors, they are right there behind the president. Thank you so much for coming to celebrate with one of your own. Thank you so much. And the Governors Forum, I say yes. They were the ones running things. We appreciate you all for coming to celebrate. Our deputy governor, who is the immediate past acting governor for your state. Please appreciate His Excellency, Barrister Abdurrahim Adebayo Lawal. We appreciate you, sir. Thank you so much. Your Excellencies, we have royal fathers here present with us. Quickly recognize. All the way from Sokoto, he came a long way. His Eminence, Sheikh Saad Abubakar MNI, the Sultan of Sokoto. We welcome you so much. The Allah of Oyo, His Imperial Majesty, Oba Akim Owade, Eda Kweshe Kabiyesi o. Your Excellency, for want of time, we'll celebrate and recognize kings as time will permit. But I'm being told that my time is almost up here. We want to recognize all former deputy governors here present, honorable judges who are here present, our chief judge, honorable judges of the High Court. We appreciate you. All judges, we appreciate you. The Speaker of Oyo State House of Assembly, honorable members of the Oyo State House of Assembly. I want to specially recognize senators in the red chamber, especially those from Oyo State. Distinguished Senator Sharafaddin Ali, distinguished Senator Yunus Aki today, distinguished Senator Fatai Buhari. We appreciate you all. I want to also recognize all honorable members from the Green Chamber, House of Representatives. We appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Today's event is chaired by one man, the chairman, Coronation Planning Committee. Baba is the former President General of the Central Council of Ibadan Indigenes. I'd like to appreciate Baba Bayo. We appreciate you, sir, Chief Bayo Yero, and all members of the Coronation Committee. Please appreciate me to recognize members of the Oyo State Cabinet who are here, people who are working with our governor to ensure that things run properly. We appreciate the SSG, Professor Olanike Adeyemo, the Chief of Staff, Honorable Shegun Ogunwi, the Head of Service, Mrs. Olubunmi Oniemena, the Deputy Chief of Staff, the Chairman and Co-Chair of the State Elders Council, the Chairman and Co-Chair, members of the Advisory Council, we appreciate you. All former ministers here present, we appreciate you. All invited guests, we appreciate you. Our Honorable Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Matters, we appreciate you, Chief Ademola Ojo Ijaya. Honorable Commissioner for Culture, Dr. Wasiu Olatubosun, and all other honorable commissioners, thank you so much. Your Excellency, you can see security agents here. I want to use the GOC 2 Division Nigerian Army, the AIG Police, CP Police, and all service commanders. Thank you so much for coming.
Hello.
Thank you very much. All other distinguished and eminent personalities, we appreciate. Your Excellency, for want of time, will step down recognition and we proceed with today's event. I'd like to invite forward for the welcome address, Deputy Governor for your state and former acting governor. He's an immediate past acting governor for your state up to 12 midnight yesterday. Please make welcome His Excellency, Barrister Abdurrahim Adebayo Lawal.
Ní òdìdé Adéwọ̀lú Ládọjà ní Ìbàdàn fúnra rẹ̀ ní òdìdé fúnra rẹ̀ ní òdìdé a kì í fi iṣẹ́ ìgbọ̀nsẹ̀ fúnra rẹ̀ ní ó. Ó yá ẹ̀tọ́ bá ń pẹ́ wò ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀tọ́ bá ń pẹ́ wò bẹ́ẹ̀ ló kọ́ ọba bẹ́ẹ̀ ló kọ́ ọba ẹ̀tọ́ bá ń pẹ́ wò Ọládọjà ọmọ Adéwọ̀lú ẹ̀tọ́ bá ń pẹ́ wò. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló kó ọba bẹ́ẹ̀ ló kó ọba ẹ̀tọ́ bá ń pẹ́ wò. Ṣèyí Mákindé ọmọ Tọ́ládòsù tí ẹ lọ́lọ́hún ó ṣe. Ṣèyí tí ẹ lọ́lọ́hún ó ṣe. Ẹ bá náwó náwó kẹ́yọ ní gbèsè tí ẹ lọ́lọ́hún ó ṣe. Tájú Bọ́lá ọmọ Tinubu tí ẹ lọ́lọ́hún ó ṣe. Tinubu ti wá lọ. Ẹ bá náwó náwó kẹ́yọ ní gbèsè tí wá lọ́lọ́hún ó ṣe. Ṣèyí ọmọ Mákindé bá ń tọ́jú gómìnà Adeleke.
Well, this is a very momentous occasion, and in front of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, níwájú gbogbo ayé àti níwájú Ọlọ́run. Hi, Engineer Seyi Makinde, the Governor of Oyo State of Nigeria, in exercise of the powers conferred upon me by subsections 1 and 2 of Section 20 of the Chief's Law, Cap 28, Volume 1, Laws of Oyo State of Nigeria 2000, and by virtue of all other powers enabling in that behalf, I hereby present the staff of office to Oba, His Imperial Majesty, Senator, Governor, presents the staff of office to Oba, His Imperial Majesty, Senator, Governor, Engineer, my Baba,
Ogo.
His Imperial Majesty Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja Arusa the First.
Ogo.
This is in confirmation of the party recognized status of the 44th Olubadan of Ibadan land. I so present.
Ladoja Ogo, 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 Ladoja Ogo, Ogo, ó ṣe sínétọ̀, ó ṣe gómìnà, ó tún wá dọ́ba, Ogo, Ogo, ọmọ Ìbàdàn, Ogo, Ogo, Ladoja Ogo, Ogo, ó ṣe sínétọ̀, ó tún ṣe gómìnà, Ogo.
Kábíyèsí Olúbàdàn ilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn ọba Rashidi Adéwọ̀lú Ládọjà Àrùsà 1 wọ́n fẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí kí bàbá tó sọ kínní kan gbogbo Ìbàdàn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá ní ṣe kábíyèsí o.
Kábíyèsí o.
Mo kí ààrẹ ilé wa ọ̀rẹ́ mi àtàtà. Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ kú dìde kò yá mi ní pé wà tó pọ̀ ọmọ Ìbàdàn lẹ́yìn náà bóyá tẹ̀ bá wá sí Ìbàdàn bóyá bá ti di president o torí pé ibi ilẹ̀ ti rí rẹ̀mí o ẹ̀dẹ̀ tó pé rẹ̀mí ni pílà success ni so mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run pé ọmọ Ìbàdàn ní pílà success yín o. Ọlọ́run bá wa ṣe nìbàdàn gbogbo gómìnà tó ń jẹ nípínlẹ̀ gbogbo gómìnà tó ń jẹ ní ìwọ̀ oòrùn south west gbogbo wọn bá wa tán wọn gba Ìbàdàn kọjá mo sì dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run pé Ìbàdàn ní ilé gbogbo Yorùbá wọ́n máa ń sọ fún àwọn ìpín pé Yorùbá tí Yorùbá nílé Ìbàdàn kò tí ì di Yorùbá o wọ́n mọ̀ pé president ní Ìbàdàn nítorí náà kò ń ṣe pé ọba àwọn Ìbàdàn nìkan ló mú jẹ́ o ọba gbogbo ẹni tó bá ń gbé Ìbàdàn ni gbogbo ẹni tó bá gbàdàn kọjá ọlọ́dẹ bá a ṣe ọ̀pá àṣẹ tí gómìnà wa wọ́n máa ń wá àtàtà torí pé gbogbo ọmọ Ìbàdàn ọmọ Olúbàdàn ni wọ́n ọmọ wa àtàtà tínú wá sì dùn sí onímọ̀ ẹ̀rọ Ṣèyí Mákindé ọ̀pá àyè tó pé fún wa lónìí ìdùnnú ló jẹ́ fún gbogbo Ìbàdàn torí pé níbi ọdún kẹtẹ́yìn wọ́n rò pé Ìbàdàn ó dàrú ni Ìbàdàn ó dàrú yàrá kan ní gbogbo Ìbàdàn ní wíńdò ń bẹ ló pọ̀ tá a bá ti bọ́ sí ara wa tá a bá ti pa wíńdò dé a tún jáde pọ̀ ni mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ o gómìnà mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn afọbajẹ torí pé tí o bá ṣe tẹ àwọn afọbajẹ sẹ́yìn fọwọ́ sí ni torí pé àwọn afọbajẹ ní council the Olúbàdàn council torí pé àwọn náà dẹ̀ láfọbajẹ wọ́n fẹ́ fi dá lójú pé gbogbo wọn pápátá náà fọwọ́ sí o wọ́n ló yẹ mí wọ́n ní mo yẹ ń bẹ̀. ẹ bá dẹ̀ dígbà tá a ti sọ pé Ládọjà ní ìjọba ẹ rí i pé gbogbo ará Ìbàdàn gbogbo inú Ìbàdàn gbogbo inú ọ̀nà dùn ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n wá rán mi níṣẹ́ kan sí president o Mr. President wọ́n ní nítorí àwọn ológun ní Ìbàdàn state àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ìyẹn Ìbàdàn àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ tó a pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni jọ tó a pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ dìde kẹ́ ẹ bá mi kí president pé o ṣe o ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ìbàdàn dìde.
Tinubu o ṣe o ti fún wa ní state o Tinubu ẹ ṣe o
president gbà.
president ti dìde ẹ ṣe o.
ní problem pẹ̀lú National Assembly torí pé káyọ̀ pé àwọn kan náà wọn ò gbà ká lọ ní kìbádà ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tá a ní Ìbàdàn state àwọn kan náà tún sọ pé àwọn náà tún fẹ́ ní Ọ̀yọ́ state so omi ó sọ pé gbogbo ní afẹ́ kápín Ọ̀yọ́ state sí méjì kò sí nǹkan ó dá mi lórí pé tá a bá máa wá pé ìpínlẹ̀ kan ṣoṣo ni Bọ́lá Tinubu máa dálẹ̀ Ìbàdàn state ló máa jẹ́. àǹkanjú o Mr. President àǹkanjú o afẹ́kọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ before 2027 o iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n kọ́kọ́ rán mi nìyẹn. èmi náà fúnra mi wá tún sọ fún àwọn ará Ìbàdàn pé nígbà tó lọ́n dá mi sí 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 n tó kù fún mi pé kí n máa sáà fún wọn gbogbo agbára mi dẹ̀ ní ma fi sáà fún wọn torí pé kò sí nǹkan tí mo tún wá mọ́ ní àná ni mo jẹ́ ọmọ ọgọ́rin ọdún díẹ̀ kan lánàá mo di ọmọ ọdún mọ́kànlélọ́gọ́rin ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ní ò ní àǹfààní láti dé rẹ̀ Ọlọ́run tó dá mi sísì sìn iṣẹ́ tó kù fún mi ni pé kí n máa sin àwọn ìlú mi kí n máa sin àwọn ará Ìbàdàn kí n máa sin àwọn ará ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ kí n máa sin àwọn ará gbogbo ibi tí Yorùbá bá wà kí n máa sin wọn gbogbo Nàìjíríà kí n máa sin wọn gbogbo Áfíríkà kí n máa sin wọn bọ́lọ̀ máa ṣe fún mi lágbára sí. wọ́n á kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ará Ìbàdàn ẹ kú àmúmọ́ra tó dé láti gbà tí ètò ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan mo rò pé bóyá tẹ̀ máa complain ni ó gbọ́ rédíò títí ẹ̀yìn gbọ́ complain kan bẹ̀ ó dàbí pé ní gbogbo lódù sí àbí ní gbogbo Ìbàdàn kan lódù sí ni. torí náà ó fẹ́ fi dá lójú pé iṣẹ́ yìí ni màá máa ṣe gbogbo lọ́sàn-án àti lóru. mo á dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn Coronation committee sẹ́ pé lábẹ́ ọ̀gá wa Engineer Ṣèyí Mákindé agbé kọmitì náà sílẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ takuntakun pàápàá jùlọ mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ alága olóyè Báyọ̀ Oyèrò mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ President General CCI ọmọọba torípọ̀ mọ́ mi ni Ajẹ́niyì Ajẹ́wọlé òkè o wọ́n dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ìyàwó mi àtàwọn ọmọ mi náà fún gbogbo àtìlẹ́yìn tí wọ́n fún mi láti gbà tí ìrìn àjò ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti 1993 wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ rántí àwọn tí wọ́n bá ń gbẹ̀ náà tí wọ́n ti ṣe lẹ́bọ́ra níjọ́ tí mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìrìn àjò náà gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe sọ fún yín our president that was never been President M.K. Abiola was present at that something, and he prayed. Maybe his prayers is what is now materializing. He prayed that kẹsìn jáde o wọ́n tẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run pé mo kẹsìn jáde lónìí. Bàbá wa Lamidi Adédúbú was present. Ó tẹ̀ wà láwọn àrùn tó ṣe agbátẹrù pé kí n jẹ jagun. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Kọ́lọ́n bá mi fọ́nú kẹ́wọ́ wọn. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Ìbàdàn iṣẹ́ wà fún láti ṣe o. Iṣẹ́ tó wà fún wa láti ṣe ni pé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ wa tó ríṣẹ́ aláàtí wáṣẹ́ fún wọn. Àwọn bàbá wa wọ́n ti sòsò rere sílẹ̀. Àwọn náà gbà ká dá UI sílẹ̀ níbí báyìí. UI la máa ń pè é ayé pé UI. Àwọn ilé ìbọn máa ń pè é University of Ibadan UI. Torí náà gbogbo ilẹ̀ wa tá a fi tọrọ fún UI ni o fún green ni o fún free ni o fún nasa ni o fún more plantation ni o gbogbo wọn pápátá àgbówó lọ́wọ́ wọn mọ́ òkú nípa fẹ́ gbówó lọ́wọ́ wọn ṣùgbọ́n káwọn náà máa ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ wọn sí Ìbàdàn gbogbo ẹni tó bá wá sí gbogbo ẹni tó bá jèrè Ìbàdàn kọ́kàn yẹ kó bá sí yíyá ẹ̀ ìwọ náà láti ní àǹfààní tó máa ṣe fún Ìbàdàn ìdí ẹ̀ nígbà tí a fi sọ pé ìgbà máa yàtọ̀ torí pé iṣẹ́ àwọn báńsì ó yàtọ̀ sí iṣẹ́ ìtújọ́ ọ̀hún iṣẹ́ àwọn báńsì ti pé láti múra láti ṣe takuntakun fún àwọn aráàlú mo ní pé ká máa kórè ẹ̀kẹ́ sọ́rùn mo ní pé ká máa gbẹ́sẹ̀ lóbìnrin mo ní pé ìyẹn nìkan kọ́ ní iṣẹ́ wa wà pé ká máa ṣiṣẹ́ fáwọn aráàlú gbogbo àdúgbò wa tó ti dàbí ẹni pé ó ti fẹ́ di slum pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run lásìkò tó wà yí báyìí láti rẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ níta pé ni wọ́n bá rìn nù wà nìyẹn so mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin ará Ìbàdàn àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ìbàdàn pé ẹ ṣe ẹ kú àdúró ti wa Ọlọ́run tó tẹ̀ iná o mo dúpẹ́ gbórúkọ o lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ president kó ráyè láti wá mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ kó tún ti gbà kó máa fa ní Ìbàdàn state ẹ ṣe púpọ̀ o.
ẹ ṣeun kábíyèsí ẹ dákun ẹ pariwo kábíyèsí lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí o. We will now take vote of thanks by the Honourable Commissioner, Minister of Local Government and Chieftaincy Matters, Chief Ademola Ojo Ijaya. Without further ado, thank you. Wherever you are, if you are will Ade Ejo, please with a round of applause, make welcome to the podium for his remarks. Vice Chairman, Nigerian Governors Forum, Executive Governor of your state. We call him GSM, the eighth wonder of your state, the one and only. Please make welcome, with a round of applause, His Excellency, Governor Seyi Makinde Seyeda.
Ocean currency. Ejo is a long protocol list, and Ojo then threatened Lati Raw. And Mr. President will have to still go back to the airport. So I'll just stand on the already established protocol. But having said that, I'll still have to recognize and thank specially Your Excellency, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. Thank you so much, sir, for coming. And my brothers, the Executive Governor of Osun State, Senator Ademola Adeleke Imole, Your Excellency, Executive Governor of Ondo State, Governor Lucky Ayedatiwa, and the Executive Governor of Ekiti State, Governor Abiodun Oyebanji, thank you so much for identifying with us. And let me quickly recognize my wife, because only my really soon to be recognize her. Engineer Tamuno Minini Makinde, thank you always for your support. And all the former governors here, please permit me to just recognize you without going through the long list. Emoki Bobori Ade, Orunleke náà tí ẹ wà ńbí. Emoki Kábíyèsí tuntun. Bàbá mi, His Imperial Majesty, Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja Arusa the First. And kí n kó lákòótán, mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá láti federal, all the federal mites tí wọ́n wà ńbí, mo kí yín. It is a great honor to celebrate the coronation and presentation of staff of office to His Imperial Majesty Oba Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja Arusa the First as the 44th Olubadan of Ibadan land. I say congratulations to all sons and daughters of Ibadan land, at home and in diaspora. Teba wo gbogbo crowd tari and even coming from the airport, the excitement. Ó show pé we must uphold our tradition. And I also want to say that today, all challenges associated with Ibadan Traditional Institution is now over and behind us. And what it means is the succession, the process is now sacrosanct. We know everything about that succession. So, Jamo, Daddy, ṣé ẹ ti rí bí kí n wọ ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ àbí kí ni wá sí ibi tá a ti jẹ Olúbàdàn? Ẹ mọ̀ pé I was here láti ṣe coronation fún 42nd, 43rd, and this is 44th. But mo wọ ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ lénìí torí pé ẹ má pè mí lọ́tùn bàmọ́, ẹ má pè mí lóyè, ọmọ ọba ni kẹ́ má pè mí sí.
Mákindé sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ẹ, ayé òní imú ẹ sí, múni kì í má tẹ́gùn. Sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ẹ, ayé òní imú ẹ sí.
So I join. Well, let me also say this. History was literally made today. The president landed at Ibadan Airport, the first wide-bodied aircraft ever to land in Ibadan Airport. So ìgbà kábíyèsí, ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa tù wá lára àbí kò tí bẹ̀rẹ̀.
A ti ṣí airport tuntun. Tinubu ṣẹ́wọ̀n náà ṣóńgbọ́. Amọ̀lódòdè. A ti ṣí airport o.
So I join Oyo State government, sons and daughters of Ibadan land, láti kí kábíyèsí tuntun. Ìgbà yẹn á tù wá lára o. Your time will bring peace, progress, and prosperity to Ibadan land and to Oyo State. Thank you and God bless you.
Bàbá ti dé náà sáré náà yìí o. Wọ́n ní kí àkọ́bí Tinubu. Tinubu alákọ̀ọ́bí o. Ọkọ̀ sínétọ̀ ó ṣe. Bọ́lábọ́lá.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Bọ́lá mẹ́ta Tinubu.
Ó ṣe currency. Thank you. Mo rí sínú ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀ àbí àwọn náà ti dánwò Ìbàdàn àbí.
Ìbàdàn ní
Okay.
Ìbàdàn.
All right.
Tọ́ba ti dé.
Without further ado, thank you, currency. Ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè ló fẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Wherever you are, please, with a resounding ovation, make welcome for the presidential remarks, numero uno citizen of Nigeria, His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. Somebody to sing on your mandate for us.
Thank
you. Thank you. May you have your seat, please. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, you, the son of the throne, you will allow me to bypass the protocol, ignore the governor, since you've gazetted the staff of office today. Let me salute and greet a renowned businessman, Lucky Imperial Majesty Oba Adewolu Ladoja Arusa the First. all other leadership here present, the Obas, the traditional leaders. Today is an exciting day. Kabiesi, once again, happy birthday to you. It's a big present, a great honor for me to be here as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to witness your coronation, to witness history, all the things that you've started, the deliberations, the expectations, and the history that we shared together. For this country, it is a great honor, a moment of history, that you ascend the throne of your forebearers. It's my prayer that you will live long and be celebrated as one of the rare gems of history to ascend the throne of your forefathers. It is my honor, my joy, my pleasure to wish you this day and many more days ahead, many more years of joy, prosperity, and relevance in the institution of democracy, history, and of ownership in Nigeria. I take this opportunity to salute former governors like Donald Duke, Olagunsoye Oyinlola, Senator Ebikunle Amosu, Malam Shekarau, and my friend Rabiu Kwankwaso. To all of you and the others here present, thank you very much on behalf of the family of the Arusa the First. It is a joy for us. Driving through from the airport was a great excitement for me to feel the homecoming, the cheering of the people and their joy in their faces. I enjoy the moment and I value the history of today. I appreciate all of you. Thank you very much. This moment is not for long speeches, but to give joy and prayer to the man of the moment, Oba Rashid Adewolu Ladoja. If I start to recall the moment in the Senate and the struggle that we had together, you as the governor, the history of the impeachment, your comeback story, your perseverance, your resilience, your determination, your reliability, it's impeccable. Kabiesi, Ade Akpalori, Bata Akpaleke, Irugere Amakosi, Ẹkú ọdún òní, ẹkú ọjọ́ ìní, mo kí gbogbo Ìbàdàn, ẹkú ayẹyẹ ìní, ìdùnnú la máa rí, ayọ̀ ńlá tí Ọlọ́run fún wa lénìí, kò ní dìbànújẹ́, ó gba ọmọ yín náà aṣoríire, ìbàjẹ́ ò ní bá wọn, ẹ ṣé, ẹ kú tọ́jú mi, mo ti wá síbí tí òkè mọ̀ kò pé ká ẹ dúró tì mí pé èmi ló kàn. Adẹ̀tí wà ń bẹ̀. Ẹ ṣé o. To many of you here present again, today I'm honored and I'm very proud to give you the cheering news that the economy has turned the corner. There is a bright light at the end of the tunnel. Your suffering is a pain of a painful surgery. But it's now returned to the moment of growth and prosperity is awaiting us ahead. Thank you for your perseverance. Thank you for your endurance. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you. God bless you. God bless your state. God bless the Oba.
Thank you, Excellency. The national
ẹ káàbọ̀
anthem.
padà ẹ bá wa share rẹ̀ ẹ like ẹ subscribe fún ọ̀tun.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.